Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Another beautiful day here in North Carolina. Got up to 70 again, so loving every minute of it. Just can't stand it anymore. Made a round in the bottom, check on how the local agency's coming along. Saw it's dried up quite a bit. I won't say dry, but a lot better than it was. So probably gonna do more damage than good, but I can't stand it anymore. We're gonna go down and put the new disc in the ground down there and see how it does. I'll bring you back for a little bit here in just a minute. how that footage turned out, but I got it in the ground. It's still muddy and wet. Some of the areas, like I said, that hadn't been done anything with, tilled or anything in years. It's still hard enough that it didn't started getting wet till after I broke it up. So did very well. I still got to do the slot plates down there at some point. I did put the pins in it in case anybody was wondering. At least I did that. Did pretty good. Hopping around a little bit, which that's just, there's so many trees and stumps and debris and whatnot still in the ground. That's where the disc plow is going to come in, get down deep and turn those up and break them, cut them more to angle. But I'm pleased with the way it went. 1086 did well. A little dirt on it finally. Like I said, I haven't really had it on anything but the big bush hog so far, other than chisel plow and a little bit here or there. So no problems, no issues. Hitch held up, did well. So park it for this afternoon and bring it back shortly. Hey everybody, I'm back. I believe I'll wrap this one up for today, and just mainly this video will be tractor time, I believe. So see if I can get the axle around here. I think the next video you'll see will be the beginning of the process on the trailer here. I'm not sure if I'll get any footage of getting the axle around here, maybe, because I get to get the Oliver out. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thumbs up if you like the videos. Share them with anybody you feel comfortable with. And comment down below. I enjoy reading those. Try to respond to most all of them. So until next time, thank you.